It is the practice of choosing again, noticing without judgment, resetting without shame, beginning with the compassion instead of criticism. Instead of saying, I fail, say, what's happening inside me right now? How can I do better? It transforms the journey from punishment to curiosity, from shame to understanding, from I have to be perfect to I get to try again. Every mindful moment, even one, strengthens your self awareness. You build a presence, you build peace with yourself and food. Mindfulness isn't a finish line, it's a living practice, something that you do every day. You don't succeed by never slipping up. You succeed by coming back every time stronger.